Hi diplomats, hope you all are super positive today. Since the global pandemic struck India with its brute force, we as a nation stood up to its challenge, not only physically and mentally, but with technical prowess as well. Today is one such witness. India invented world's first paper-based COVID-19 test, the Feluda test. To put it in India's principal scientific advisor K. Vijayaraghavan's own words, this is simple, precise, reliable, scalable and frugal test. These are the news articles related to this topic. Going into the details, the Feluda test is accurate, low-cost paper-based test strip to detect COVID-19. It takes less than 30 minutes to detect whether a person is positively affected by COVID-19 or negatively. In comparison to the present gold standard, the RT-PCR test, which takes nearly 3 to 4 hours. RT-PCR is reverse transcription polymerase chain reaction nuclear derived based testing method. It takes nearly 3 to 4 hours. Feluda test is approved by Drug Controllers General of India for a commercial launch. It can be launched in India and also world as well. So this is the world's first paper based COVID-19 test, which is a great achievement from India. This Feluda test is designed and developed by CSIR in collaboration with the Tata Group. At CSIR, it was led by Debojyoti Chakraborty and Souvik Maiti. So this is the great example of public-private partnership model and how public-private partnership can help achieve miracles during a crisis situation. This Feluda test is named after Bengali fictional character Feluda, designed by the greatest and renowned filmmaker Satyajit Ray. And this Feluda test also has its scientific acronym, which translates to FN-SAS9 Editor Linked Uniform Detection Assay. We shall see in the next slides what this SAS9 and all. So what technology does Feluda test use? This Feluda technology uses CRISPR technology. This CRISPR technology is nothing but gene editing technology. So gene editing technology is helpful in correcting genetic defects and treating and preventing spread of any diseases from one generation to next generation. So you might get a doubt that how can a gene editing technology will be helpful in detecting SARS-CoV-2. So in the next slide we shall see how it will help in detecting COVID-19. So to know how this gene editing technology will be helpful in detecting SARS-CoV-2, we have to have a fair knowledge of DNA structure. In our body, each and every cell contains genes and genes are made up of DNA. So DNA is made up of two strands. Okay. So these two strands are held together by four chemical bases. These four chemical bases are nothing but A, T, G and C. Okay. So this DNA will be twisted into a helix shape like this. Okay, as this is twisted, so these two strands will be twisted in this fashion. That's why the DNA will be looked at twisted. Okay, so but the major composition of DNA is these four molecular bases A, G, T, C. A means adenine, T means thymine, G means guanine, C means cytosine. A is paired with T always and G is paired with C always. Okay, these forms the base pairs. So having the fair understanding of the DNA structure, so if we have any defects in this DNA structure, then this CRISPR technology can detect specific sequences of DNA within a gene. Okay, and with the help of the molecular scissors, it can remove the particular defected DNA sequence. Here in this case, the molecular scissors are nothing but Cas9 proteins. Okay, the Cas9 protein detect the defected DNA sequence and they will cut the detected defected DNA sequence. Then scientists will introduce the perfect DNA sequence in the place of the removed sequence. But here we have to consider only till the detecting part. Okay, so this Feluda test uses Cas9 protein. This Cas9 protein, what does it do? It will help in detecting the SARS-CoV-2 sequence in a sample. Okay, once it detects the SARS-CoV-2 sample, it latches to it. It latches to it and it will give an indication that the sample have SARS-CoV-2. Let's see how that detection process works. It works similar to a pregnancy strip test. Okay, so the pregnancy strip test, to tell you how this pregnancy strip test works, when this pregnancy strip test is placed in a urine sample, it will look for HCG molecule. HCG means human chorionic gonadotropin molecule. Okay, so if the urine sample contains this HCG molecule, then it will show that the person is a pregnant, and it will indicate with two lines. And if the urine sample doesn't have this HCG molecule, then the test shows that the person is not pregnant, and it will have only the single line. So in this case, the Feluda test, in the Feluda test case, it will work in the similar manner. Here the sample is nothing but human saliva or blood. Okay, so once this Feluda strip has this human saliva or blood, the Cas9 protein in the Feluda strip will look for SARS-CoV-2 sequence in the sample. So if it finds any SARS-CoV-2 sample, it latches to it. Okay, it latches to it and gives two blue lines, which shows that the sample has SARS-CoV-2 and the person is COVID positive. So simple it is. And if the person is COVID negative, then it will have only single line. So why is Feluda test a groundbreaking invention in the present COVID testing methods? If you see, right now the gold standard is RT-PCR. Okay, it is a nucleic acid based test, and the sensitivity is 98%. In the sense, the sensitivity is nothing but the correctness of the test. More the sensitivity, the more accurate the test results will be. So RT-PCR is gold standard, and it has 98% accuracy. Okay, but it is a nuclear derived method, and it takes nearly 3 to 4 hours for detecting, and it needs a lab required for testing. Okay, so that's why we move to the second wave of testing, which is rapid antigen detection test. Okay, this rapid antigen detection test searches for antigen in the sample. Antigen is nothing but a molecule capable of stimulating an immune response. Okay, in case of SARS-CoV-2 also, there are many antigens present in SARS-CoV-2 virus. So one such example is spike proteins. So this test looks for this spike proteins. Okay, if there are any spike proteins in the sample, it will show that the person is COVID positive. Okay, but the major issue with the rapid antigen test is it has accuracy or sensitivity of 85% only. Okay, so it is not so reliable in comparison to RT-PCR test. So with this experience, now we have this Feluda test. Okay, the Feluda test also is a nucleic acid based test. Okay, so nucleic acid based test means nothing but it will search for DNA. Okay, in case of rapid antigen test, it will search only for proteins. So it is a protein based test. It is a protein based test, whereas RT-PCR and Feluda test are DNA based tests. Okay, so and it has the sensitivity of 96%. 96% is very good. means it is near to RT-PCR. The major advantage of the Feluda test is it takes less than 30 minutes to give you the test results. So the major limitation of RT-PCR is timing only. It takes nearly around 3 to 4 hours, but it takes less than 30 minutes, and the price is only 600 or 500 rupees. In comparison to RT-PCR, it is 2000 or above. So according to price wise and also according to the time wise, it is very effective, and it is also the sensitive wise, it is also accurately measures the test results. So the Feluda test is a groundbreaking result from India. That too from India is a major achievement from us. So how reliable is this Feluda test? According to the CSIR, Feluda tests are equal to the levels of RT-PCR tests, as we have seen recently that it has 96% accuracy. So it is as good as RT-PCR. Okay, according to the Health Ministry's bulletin, the Feluda test was done on 2000 patients. Okay, and it has a accuracy or sensitivity of 96%. So it is very much reliable and it is very cost effective. It costs only 500 to 600 rupees. So will the Feluda test will be game changer for India? So to know that, we have to assess few stats of India right now. So we have done till now 8.6 crore COVID tests, okay, till October 10, and the present sample rate is around 10 lakh per day. Each day we are conducting around 10 lakh. With this Feluda test, which is very time efficient and money conscious also, the rate, this 10 lakh rate can be increased, and we can do as many tests as possible. So right now the tests can be increased with this Feluda test more than 10 lakhs. So, and also India being the second most affected nation in the world after USA, it will be very helpful, and it is a game changer for Indian COVID control mechanism. So hope this video was very helpful for you in understanding what the Feluda test is. So if you guys are willing to have any other videos separately made in detail, like regarding CRISPR-Cas9 or the COVID test like RT-PCR or something else like that, if you have any other specific requests, please comment below. Then we will try to make sure that the videos are made according to your interest. So if you like the video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on our social media. Thank you.